Hi! The launch of the redesigned Yamaha Tenere 700 in 2025 was a perfect opportunity for us to revisit and update our top luggage rack, and to apply everything we've learned over the past few years. Our original top luggage rack for T700 was very successful, but we felt the need to implement a couple of significant changes. Although the overall shape will look familiar at first glance, this is a completely revised product. The most noticeable change right away is the new matte black powder coat with an anodized look. But the real updates are under the hood. We have kept the low-profile design of the rack. The top plate sits almost flush with the stock seat, preserving the clean rear profile of the bike and keeping luggage weight as low as possible. This is of the utmost importance if you plan to use rackless luggage systems. The side brackets that support the top plate are now noticeably beefier than before. They have been reinforced in areas that see the highest loads, leading to improved strength and durability. We still use high-quality stainless steel for these. Also, we use custom bending tooling, which leads to stronger bends. Side brackets are better adapted to 2025 models, as there is more clearance between rear top plate bolts and tail plastics. All hardware required for installation of the rack is included. Moving on to the top plate, the most important update is the integration of mounting holes for the Mosko Moto Gnoblin system. 3 different mounting positions allow precise placement of our current Mosko Moto rackless bags. Yes, we tested them and used them extensively. Rackless 40, Rackless 80 and Alpine 60. To make Gnoblin installation easier, the underside of the top plate includes circular pockets for a washer and a nut, a small but practical detail. This also provides enough clearance for a safety nut on the underside, while keeping the low profile of the rack. Using the Gnoblin system significantly speeds up mounting and removal of rackless luggage. Since the dimensions of the top plate have changed, the position and shape of the strap slots have been slightly revised as well. We have tested the most popular rackless luggage systems on the market, including Mosko Moto, Giant Loop and Enduristan, and all of them strap down easily and securely. All edges of the top plate are chamfered. This gives the rack a more refined, finished look, but more importantly, it improves strap longevity by reducing wear. Additionally, top outer contour has a 2 mm radius instead of a chamfer, for super smooth surface and to protect the base of rackless luggage. Size of the top plate is ideal for mounting tail bags in the 10 to 20 liter range, but larger bags will also work well. Pre-drilled holes are included for Kriega OS-Rack Loops, allowing fast and efficient mounting of bags from their US dry pack series. The rack is also compatible with Givi and Kappa monokey top cases, as well as SW-Motech top cases. The required case-specific hardware, which is not supplied with the rack, mounts directly to the top plate, eliminating the need for heavy adapter plates. That's it for this overview of the new generation Perun Moto top luggage rack for the Yamaha Tenere 700. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.